So you're a homeowner. Congratulations. Owning a home is an amazing accomplishment. But let me be the first to tell you that the work does not stop here. As a homeowner, you have to protect your investment by doing regular home maintenance. So in this video, I want to give you some key things that you can do to maintain your home so that you can protect your big investment. Let's go. Tip number 1, regularly change your air filter every 30 to 90 days. The purpose of this air filter is to make sure clean air is circulating through your heating and cooling system. It traps dust, pet hairs, wood particles, and any other crappy things to make sure those things are not circulating through your system, and more importantly, through the air in your home. Dirty air filters can cause your HVAC system to actually work harder, which will shorten the life of the unit. If you replace it regularly, you can definitely save thousands of dollars in the future, so you're not having to replace your HVAC. Tip number 2, clean out and maintain your gutters. Gutters can be one of those things that are out of sight and out of mind, but they play a massive role in protecting your home. The purpose of having gutters is to allow water to properly divert away from your home. And this is important because you don't want water pooling up around your home, because that can potentially cause major structural issues. Now, I highly recommend, if you don't have gutters, to go ahead and get them installed. But once they are installed, you have to maintain and clean them out at least 2 times a year. You want to make sure that all your gutters are functioning properly so that water is diverting away from your house. Tip number 3, get your HVAC service. It's extremely important for you to get your HVAC unit serviced at least once a year. Some HVAC specialists recommend getting it serviced twice a year. Getting your unit serviced will not only make sure the unit is functioning properly, but it's going to expand the life of the unit so that you are not spending thousands of dollars trying to replace it. Now, I don't recommend you trying to service the unit on your own. You need to hire a local reputable HVAC company to come in and service the unit so that when those hot summer months come and those cold winter months happen, your unit is working properly. My name is Corey Maurice Gilmore with the CMG Real Estate Group. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more information on this topic or just want to watch other cool videos, feel free to visit our website at cmgrealestate.com. I'll see you next time.